This Q-Stone barbecue playset is the cutest thing my son owns. I got it for him for Christmas and he hasn't stopped playing with it. It comes with all these accessories here, over 25 pieces, and this little lighter lights up the barbecue. You just touch it and there's actually like fake pretend smoke that comes out of it to make it super realistic. So I really enjoy that. Touch it to turn it back off, and it comes. My favorite is the kebabs. Look at the kebabs here. You just stick it in, and it's so realistic. You can just barbecue it over like that. Comes with the tongs and the little pretend play forks and knives and spoon. And look at this. This is super cute. Look at this. It's the pretend grill and pan that you can use to uh, put your food in. And the sauces is also really cute. So you just pretend and use that. Comes with all of this plates here. It's super light, so you can carry it, transport it from room to room if you wish. My only feedback is that when you do try to close the lid, the spatulas and accessories all fall down, which is kind of like a pain. I wish there was a better way of organizing it, but overall works pretty decently, pretty good. I would give this 4 out of 5 stars.